Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day. It's Tuesday. I like to hop up here just to share some information with everyone here. I'm gonna ask question first. So, have you ever feel like it doesn't matter how hard you work and how many jobs you do? Like some people do two jobs and three jobs, and your income is never enough to pay your mortgages and pay your bills and or no savings and no savings for your kids expenses. And after you come back from vacation, you look at your accumulated visa bill and it's a headache stress. Have you ever feel that way? I did before, and I just don't think that it makes sense. you know um our income is doesn't make it doesn't depend on how hard we work. And it doesn't matter how hard we work and how many jobs we do, we still got limited income. That just doesn't make any sense to me. You know, it's a new year 2022, and I think it's time to switch our mindset. We need to work hard for ourselves instead of working hard for someone else. We work hard for ourselves and then we pay what we deserve for us. 2022 is a new year, and I think the new generation, everything is switching online, and the online space is unlimited. It's not like a local store that you own. You have to be physically to be there, and all the customers is your local customers. It's very limited, but the online space is unlimited. You have the globe market. Why not try that? We buy stuff online. Why not work online? You know, it's new generation that we need to think about. And I know it's new, and I know it's scary, and I know we lots of us never had experience, but there's no harm to try, because that's how we develop, how we grow ourselves. So today we have a complimentary workshop to teach everyone, whoever's interested, to start something online. And it doesn't matter if you have any experience and no experience. Like there's a free knowledge that you can learn for the 90 minutes of workshop we have for this evening. I guess you can, sacrifice your 90 minutes for watching a webinar instead of watching a movie tonight, but at least you learn something, something that can really change people's lives. Do something new to grow yourself and to find, the potential that you can do for yourself and your family. So yeah, you're very welcome to join us today. And we do have a 90 minutes workshop. We'll teach you the three pillars of online marketing that I've learned. I started the business not too long ago, but I've learned how to use YouTube, how to learn to Facebook, how to use Google, all that online, platforms. I was never a tech savvy, never had those kind of skills, but the step-by-step training that we offer, like I just follow the steps and I get this far. So why not join us and check it out and see if it's gonna be good for you or for your family as well. So I hope everyone is enjoy your day, and hopefully see you there. Have a great day, everyone.